To open a Venmo account in India, you will need to follow these steps. First, it is essential to note that Venmo is not directly available in India, but you can use it with a US-based phone number or by using a VPN. Start by downloading the Venmo app from the App Store or Google Play Store. If you are unable to find the app, you may need to change your App Store or Google Play Store location to the US. Once the app is downloaded, tap on Sign Up and enter your email address. Choose a password, and provide your name and date of birth. You will also need to add a US-based phone number to verify your account. If you do not have a US-based phone number, you can purchase a virtual US phone number from services like Twilio or Google Voice. After verifying your phone number, you will need to add a funding source to your account. This can be a US-based bank account, credit card, or debit card. To add a funding source, go to the Settings menu, tap on Payment Methods, and select Add Bank or Card. Follow the prompts to enter your account or card information. It is crucial to note that using a VPN or a virtual US phone number may be against Venmo's terms of service, and your account may be suspended or terminated if you are found to be using these services. Additionally, be aware of the fees associated with transferring money internationally, as well as any potential tax implications. To avoid any issues, it is recommended to use Venmo only for personal, non-commercial purposes, and to always follow the terms of service. By following these steps, you can successfully open a Venmo account in India, but it is essential to be aware of the potential risks and limitations involved.